Woodcraft projects embody a unique intersection of creativity, emotion, and craftsmanship, allowing artisans to express their inner visions while navigating the complexities of their feelings throughout the creative process. Each project, whether it be a finely crafted piece of furniture, a delicate sculpture, or a functional item like a cutting board, carries with it not only the potential for artistic expression, but also the weight of personal significance and emotional investment. The journey of creating these woodcraft products often begins with an idea, one that can emerge from a variety of sources, perhaps an inspiring piece of wood with a distinctive grain, a desire to create something functional, or even a response to a life event that calls for expression. This initial spark of creativity is often imbued with excitement and anticipation, setting the stage for a process that is as much about self-discovery as it is about the final product. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas, so watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration as artisans embark on their projects. They may face a myriad of emotional complexities that can enhance or hinder their creative flow. For many, the act of working with wood becomes a form of therapy, a means of channeling emotions, be it joy, frustration, or sadness, into tangible forms. The tactile nature of woodworking provides a sensory experience that can be grounding, allowing artisans to immerse themselves fully in the task at hand. This immersion fosters a meditative state, where the rhythmic motions of cutting, shaping, and sanding can lead to moments of clarity and insight. However, this experience can also be fraught with self-doubt and anxiety, particularly when artisans grapple with perfectionism or the fear of failure. The pressure to create something beautiful and meaningful can manifest as a heavy burden, leading to creative blocks that can stall the process. This internal conflict often reflects a broader struggle, as artisans confront their own insecurities and the desire for validation through their work. The emotional landscape of woodworking is further complicated by the inherent unpredictability of the medium. Wood is a natural material that can behave unexpectedly, whether due to variations in grain, moisture content, or even the tools being used. These challenges can evoke feelings of frustration and disappointment when a carefully crafted plan goes awry. An artisan may find themselves pouring hours into a project only to encounter unforeseen issues, such as a crack forming in the wood or a joint failing to align. These moments can test resilience, forcing woodworkers to either adapt their vision or abandon the project altogether. The emotional response to these hurdles can range from deep frustration to newfound determination, illustrating how the creative process is not linear, but rather a series of twists and turns that shape the final outcome and the artisan's emotional state. Additionally, the personal significance of wooden items adds another layer of emotional complexity. Many woodworkers create pieces that hold sentimental value, whether as gifts for loved ones, memorials to significant life events, or heirlooms meant to be passed down through generations. This connection to the end product can amplify the stakes of the creative process, as the artisan invests not only their time and skill, but also their emotions into the work. The act of crafting becomes a way to communicate feelings and ideas that may be difficult to express through words. A handcrafted piece can embody memories, relationships, and shared experiences, making the creative endeavor deeply personal. As a result, when a project is completed, it often evokes a powerful sense of pride and fulfillment, celebrating not only the craftsmanship, but also the emotional journey that led to its creation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the community aspect of woodworking cannot be overlooked, as it plays a crucial role in shaping the emotional experience of artisans. Engaging with fellow woodworkers, whether through local clubs, online forums, or workshops, can provide invaluable support and encouragement. Sharing ideas, techniques, and experiences fosters a sense of belonging and camaraderie, alleviating feelings of isolation that can accompany the solitary nature of creative work. This exchange can be particularly beneficial during challenging moments when self-doubt creeps in, as hearing about others' struggles and triumphs can offer reassurance and inspire renewed motivation. The emotional complexities of creativity are often shared among peers, creating an environment where vulnerability is embraced and collective growth is celebrated. In contrast, the emotional relationships that develop with specific projects can also lead to attachment and, at times, heartbreak. When a piece does not turn out as envisioned or is met with criticism, the emotional toll can be significant. The artisan may feel a profound sense of loss, as the project represented not just an investment of time and resources, but also a piece of themselves. This attachment can lead to a reluctance to let go of a project, even when it becomes clear that it may not meet the desired outcome. Conversely, successfully completing a project that resonates on a personal level can evoke feelings of elation and pride, reinforcing the emotional bond between the artisan and their work. This duality of attachment, both to the process and the product, highlights the intricate relationship between emotion and creativity in woodworking. As artisans develop their skills and experience, they often find that their emotional responses to projects evolve as well. With time, many learn to embrace the challenges and uncertainties inherent in the creative process, recognizing that setbacks are often opportunities for growth. This shift in perspective can lead to a more resilient approach to woodworking, where the focus is placed on the journey rather than solely on the outcome. As artisans become more comfortable with their craft, they may also discover new avenues for expression, exploring innovative techniques or styles that reflect their evolving creative identity. This evolution can be liberating, allowing artisans to experiment freely without the weight of expectation, ultimately enriching their emotional connection to their work. The emotional complexities of creativity in woodcraft projects are multifaceted and deeply intertwined with the artistic process. From the initial spark of inspiration to the myriad challenges encountered along the way, each project serves as a canvas for emotional expression and self-discovery. The tactile nature of woodworking, while therapeutic, can also evoke feelings of frustration and self-doubt, pushing artisans to confront their vulnerabilities and insecurities. The personal significance of the pieces crafted adds another layer of emotional investment, as artisans imbue their work with memories, relationships, and shared experiences. Through community engagement and the sharing of struggles and triumphs, woodworkers can find solace and encouragement in the emotional journey of creativity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.